Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So, before moving ahead, obviously today I do have another stock to discuss, and that is in front of you. But before moving ahead, let's discuss a bit about Voltas that we have discussed last week. So, let's straight away open the chart. As you can see in the chart, after giving a pullback, it's breaking out again, right? The same level what we have discussed around 1560, it was there on the last weekend, I believe. Yes, and right now you can see it's got support what from the exact level of 1550 1560, which was the resistance level earlier, and again a breakout happened today. So anyway, so whoever is following the trade, I think now you are able to understand how likely the things happen over here, right? So market given you proper time to enter into the trade. So don't be like, if the breakout already happened, there is no way to enter again. So it have given ample opportunity to take an entry. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. So whoever have taken position, congratulations to all of them. I think they are sitting in good profit. So trail your stop loss and enjoy the ride. Okay, thank you. Next thing is new stock, Aditya Birla AMC. This stock is actually facing resistance here, so it's not given any breakout. As you can see, yes, it is in a bullish uh, momentum, because you can see it is trading above all the moving averages. 686 is the 21-day exponential moving average that has been plotted here. It is trading right now 714. However, the super trend is showing the negative sign. So in such scenario, let's try to open this in a weekly basis. In a weekly also, you can see RSI is on 73, and there is kind of a congestion happening around 710 to 720 odd levels, right? So this could be a resistance, this could be a breakout. So anything could happen. So now the thing is like, how come we can participate? We can participate only if we see a breakout in this particular situation, because we never know whether this gonna act as a support or this gonna act as a, I mean, the breakout might happen. But looks like there could be a breakout, but only if it is giving closing above 729.15. At least we should wait for that. Okay, so as you can see, super trend is showing 729.15 levels. So if we observe that the Aditya Birla stock is giving a closing uh, above 729 or 730 odd levels, and that should be a significant closing. Either we can take an entry over there, or you can wait for a pullback to take an entry. Since it is a resistance, definitely it will become a support after the breakout. So stock will definitely revisit here. Okay, and if it is a resistance, it will definitely go down. So in this type of situation, we generally do avoid taking positions in a hurry. It's just an observation perspective, because I am observing, that's why I shared with you, so that you cannot tell every time that okay, you are sharing those stocks only after the breakouts. So this is kind of a stock where breakout may happen, may not be happen, but this is the way how pro traders observe the stocks. Okay, so observe it. We don't know what's next in this stock, but yeah, let's see. we will see what market takes it. Okay, so thank you very much for this up to the, if you are still there in up to this, try to share this video with your friends and try to support this channel. So I am putting a lot of efforts. I am sharing you a lot of good stock ideas which is good for learning also. So if you can subscribe or share this video, that will be a great help for me. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.